All right, let's just get to the point. So, NeverRage has been released in early access, and you guys will be able to see this on Steam, as you can see here. This is the early build. Now, this should have come out with a price, but we are probably gonna change our uh, uh, business model in a sense. It's in a it's hanging right now in a I don't know cliffhanger or whatever. It's uh it's suspended and we are just waiting to see how things will go. If yeah, anyways, the game might be free and then there might be I mean the subscription is there is not or there might. Anyway, so you can download this now. There will be no problem. Earlier, if you try, like yesterday, we tried to release. Well, um, I I was having a problem with the download. It was saying that you need a license and this and that. So we are gonna likely work around those technical difficulties by just making this the base content to be free and easily accessible, like Guild Wars 2. I mean, and yeah. So you can download now if you've been testing this game for a while. As you guys know, we also released the a little patch note or an update to inform everyone that it takes a very long time to get these things released. So everyone should be patient, and our current community is quite loyal and quite understanding. So um, this is not for you guys. It's for the guys who are now accessing the application because of the state that it's in right now. You guys already know I've been working on this, and we've had a lot of people contributing to it actively, and we've also been providing learning opportunities for people to progress in their careers, and all of those are, you know, time consuming. Add that to life as well. We got to be honest with this. Anyways, if you have created an account, make sure your name is not something illegal, foul. Be, be respectful to yourself and to the community. Make something good. And also, make sure you add your metaverse link there. And this here is an AI. And this AI controls the communication within this application and the metaverse backend, which we call the matrix. And this AI will likely be available in the project, as with all of the deities AIs that we are planning to release. Um, anyways, this part of the map is available, but um, it doesn't have the content like the tutorials and this and that. So when you find yourself here, it's probably because you let an undead kill you, slay you, and the way you can work around this is this location is the same thing on the demo, so you can log into the demo and complete the tutorial, and then once you get level 10 you can open the actual build there. All of these are free. It might be a bit tedious, but I know gamers, if you really want to play this, if you really want to preview this, that should not be something to stop you. Anyways, most of these creatures and whatnot are not uh, active. Like if they are in the project right now, they are not like they won't attack, they won't do this. They are just there, um, waiting to be programmed. Uh, anyways, our goal right now is to finish what I'm about to show you guys, and that's like the mining, which is crypto oriented and stuff like that. And anyways, let's get to that part. Okay, let's see. What am I trying to show. Oh, all right. So the website here. Um, yeah. All right. So we're gonna launch the project, and hopefully it shows as a game capture. There it is. All right. You can now log into the project and be on the platform at the same time. And this is what I wanted to show you guys. So it might ask you to resubscribe, and to do that, right? This means you've been playing the project for a while. To resubscribe, you will have to log in, right? And once you log into the platform, you'll notice a few things. Um, we have the auction house here. This here is these are the part that we are now programming, right? When you click on these for content to be to show up, and then you can access these and purchase them and whatnot, right? You click buy, and you can see like how many you own and stuff like that. These are all individual NFTs here with unique hash code. Now, what a hash code is, in our case, all right, there is a default definition for this, but our hash code is basically an index that links to the full ID and the full secure like the I don't like the token, yeah, yeah. Token is really long, right? It's a long string of like characters and whatnot. Those we don't want any of those to be available to people because all of those are like technical stuff and it confuses people and this that we do not want those. All right. Um, as me, like the way I see it is, consumers gotta find it easy to access your services, and that's what we're trying to do. Also for developers too, we are not gonna make complicated things that you really can build on because it's just way too complicated. Um, we will be releasing a wallet. You'll be able to fill out your wallet with currencies, and you will be able to use those currency for NFTs and meta products. So what else? So I think I skipped something here. So I'll go back, which will log me out. Uh, and I log in. This you can only do it for the first time. All right. So here we'll go here. Okay. If you're not subscribed, when you click on services, you'll see that our first service, which is NeverRage, is an online MMORPG and a MOBA mix. If you play the project, you will see how we are designing that. You'll be able to farm, do all the daily stuff that casuals like to do, and for PvPers, you'll be able to enter those MOBA areas and do the PvP. You'll be able to interact with corrupted crystals and secure a node, and you'll be challenged, and that will be like 1v1s and stuff. All of those are being developed, and we hope we can finish them. And as you can see here, if you are not subscribed, this would not be checked. If you are, it will be checked. And the subscription fee here is 10 USD. You're gonna click this, it'll take you to where you can purchase, and eventually where you'll be able to fill your card with balances and stuff like that. And you pay here, and everything goes through. Once that's finished, once everything get processed, you will be able to log in and test the application. Now the way this interface, I'm not even going to explain this one more another time. So this here is a mobile and a desktop and tablet and whatever uh, design that you want to implement. It's a flexible UI, so want to keep it as lean as possible. Anyways, this your inventory, and I'm gonna hide stuff and like auto subscribe myself so that I can show you guys how what else we want to show you. Uh, so I'm gonna hide the browser here, and you can wait a few seconds. I'm gonna find a database and the backend here and corrupt the files. So that's a crystal over there. I'm gonna move towards it and we're gonna try to mine it. Now this part is not finished, so if you do mine this to test it, we will end up deleting all of those resources before we allow everybody else to start accessing it. Right now, you don't really have to have anything equipped. You can try to mine this. Okay, mine it. If you want the axe, you can go into the city and get it. It's a long walk. We have mounts and whatnot, but those will be later. Anyways, after you do that, you will show. So once you mine, you can wait for a little bit, and when you log back in, maybe like after 5 or 10 minutes or something, so everything can be processed, you will then see your mined resource here. And yeah, anyways, that's what we've been working on, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.